What do honey, queens, and bumble have in common? That's right, they all are bees. It just so happens that all of them are also named Astrobee robot. The Astrobee robot that are in the International Space Station. Hi, my name is Miguel, and I enjoy learning about advancements in robots today. I want to tell you all about NASA Astrobee robot and how they are helping astronauts. The Astrobee robot are cube-shaped free-flying robots that navigate the microgravity of the ISS, using electric fans to fly, cameras to see, and perching arms to hold onto things. They also are pretty small, coming in around 1 cubic foot. This way they can fly around and do routine tasks for the astronauts, like taking inventory or moving cargo. One of the best things about Astrobee is their ability to work autonomously, be controlled by astronauts or be controlled by scientists from ground. This saves astronauts manpower for the tasks that only humans can do. Also, it lets researchers see how effective the robots can be in space. Honey and Bumble were launched in April 29, 2019. Queen was launched a couple months later in July. Before the Astrobees could go, however, NASA had to send their docking stations, which they did in 2018. The docking stations are for the robots to return when they need to recharge. There have been other robots called Spheres on the ISS. For over 10 years, Astrobee's been improving on Spheres, and Astrobee's modular design means we can continue updating them for years to come. I can't wait to see how much these robots help us with space exploring in the future. If you like learning about bees as much as I do, check out my other videos to see advancements on the robotics. Thank you for watching.